Hi folks, thanks for tuning in to my channel today. Today I'm going to be building some crappie jigs. This is a 1/16 ounce crappie jig and it's on a number 4 sickle hook. I don't know if I can get it close enough for you to see all the colors in it, but it's a chartreuse, green and black swirl. This is all powder painted and baked in the oven, so this thing will take a beating off the rocks and stuff. Almost indestructible. I take it here in the shop and just drop it on the concrete and it leaves no marks at all on it. So what I'm going to do, since I haven't named this jig yet, this is a new one coming out, at the end of the video, if you would go down into the comment section and leave me some name suggestions, and the one that I choose, I will go ahead and send you like 5 custom jigs that I built, and at no cost. I'll pay for shipping and everything. So whichever name that I choose to name this jig, that's what we'll do. So y'all stay tuned, hang with me. I'll give you a final shot of this one. I finally finish it here in just a couple of minutes. So here we go. I've got one loaded up in my jig already, and what I'm going to do is take a little Sally Hansen's Hard as Nails, put a little dab on there. Got a little sloppy with it. And then let's just start to wrap. I got that hook in there pretty tight, so it's not going to move around, I hope. Take that wrap all the way back to the hook point, and then come out with it. Cut your access. And then it doesn't take a whole lot of this peacock feathers. Really doesn't. A little bit goes a long way. So I'm just going to cut a little bit of it off. Kind of size it up a little bit. I think I'll just cut a little bit more off of it. Drop it on your head. Make sure you get it set. Once you get it set on there, push it down around that hook shank. And then when you come back, put it on there pretty tight. You're not going to bend that hook shank, just put it on there tight. Then take some of your flash, 2, 3, 4 strands, whatever you think. I would like to put a lot of flash in mine. I think I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces in there. And then I take and I just double them, go around the head, and then I put a couple of wraps. Then I'm going to disperse those around that hook shank. I can get a lot of color. And put that one down pretty tight. Wrap it pretty tight. And then yeah, let's put this white on there. Make it look good. Drop a little more Sally Hansen's on there. Set those threads. And here we go. I don't wrap it real tight on that first wrap, but on that second one I do. Get it pretty tight. Come all the way back up. Since I've got a rotating jig, what I do is I pull a little extra thread out, and then I reverse it and come back to me. That way the thread will wind up on there the right way. Oh, got a straggler. There we go. And just start winding this up around the head. Make sure it's pretty tight. Take about 3 wraps, come over, 2 or 3 more. And then we want to cut that off. What I want to do is put a little bit of color right here behind the head, just for grins. And take my tool. Now watch, I'm going to drop straight down on my thread. I'm going to loop back behind, create the figure 4. And go 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Scoop it, pop it tight, make sure it's good and tight. Then take your Sally Hansen's, seal all those threads up. I get pretty liberal with it, probably more than what I should, but that's okay. And once I pull it out of the jig, I come in here and I just kind of trim. I always trim at this angle, like at a V angle. I don't like anything to be uniform on my jigs. Get a pair of pliers and I'll show you what it looks like. There you go. Right there. So if you would, go down in the comments section. Let's name this jig. And like I say, I'll send you a free pack of 5 jigs. They'll probably be all mixed up, different kinds, different weights and stuff. So anyway, I appreciate your time. Thank you for watching my video. I'm going to be coming out with probably 11 or 12 more jigs before long. They're going to be brand new. We're going to name each one of them. And same thing goes when we get through with them. Put your comments down in the bottom for a name for all these jigs coming up. And I'll send you a free pack of jigs in the process. And then also too, I've got some fishing videos coming up before long that I'll be putting out, which I'm going to be in my Craig Cat, my boat over here. So anyway, that's all be coming up before long. So y'all stay tuned. I appreciate you liking and subscribing to my channel. This is the only way that I get to stay up here with help from folks like y'all. So I appreciate it, and y'all have a good day and tight lines.